Hi, I'm Harvey Sharp, and I'm the president of BCG Services.
What made you use this product?
The need. It's a unique product that's modular. We can use it, like Mo explained earlier, we can use it from an 8-inch pile to an 18-inch pile. And just using it and moving it around is what makes it second to none. Most of the competitors have these big molded fiberglass, which has its purposes. It really does. But when we're in these tight, confined spaces, there's nothing better than this new technology that Mo has come up with.
How easy was it to use FormATube compared to the standard method of repair?
It's not even in the same ballpark. The traditional way is bulky, it's heavy, it's nasty, you get full of fiberglass, it becomes a mess. This stuff is so modular, we can take it down in these little 6.5-inch strips, put it together on site. Guys love it, our customers love it. We're doing a big infrastructure projects with them right now that our parish loves it. So I think it's second to none.
Let's talk a little bit about the cost and time savings.
Oh, anytime you're doing a remedial project, without these things, we're probably cutting this job in a quarter at a time what it would take to do a regular bridge repair. And if they'd have to remove the pylons and replace them, we're talking months. Not only did they save time, but the money they saved by remediation and wrapping these pylons. It's a no-brainer, and I think that's the future. I know our parish wants to wrap all the bridges. It just gives it longevity to it and aesthetics. It helps, it looks better. And when the consumer sees it, which is the taxpayer, it looks like something was done. Some of them other products, they wrap it with things, they cardboard tubes.
Yeah.
Terrible.
Would you recommend FormATube for other piling repairs?
Anytime somebody would call me to repair a pylon, the first thing I'm going to show them and explain to them is FormATube. It's easy, it's unique, it's modular, it's state of the art compared to the old ways.